Thank you very much for your awesome speech. The sixth speaker is Kaji Seira from Hinogakuen Compulsory Education School, 8th grade. The title is How to Deal with Social Media. Please give a big hand.
Hello everyone. Today I'd like to tell you about how to deal with social media. Social media, so-called SNS in Japan, is convenient for all of us and it helps us communicate with people not only in Japan but also all over the world. As you know, there are various kinds of social media such as TikTok, Instagram, and Line. A survey shows that more than half of the world's population has at least one social media account. This is an astonishing fact. First, I'm going to explain how addictive they are. Nowadays, young people are becoming sensitive to trends or even compare themselves to dazzling influencers and feel that they're not good enough. So, it could lead them to have low self-esteem or lose their confidence. I think that the solution is to reduce time spent on social media. They should find their interests in something else. Second, some people create a social media account using someone else's name. To prevent this, we should not provide our real names on social media. Not only that, others also believe and spread incorrect information. Photos, movies, or illustrations generated by AI are difficult to tell apart from humans' works. False information spreads quickly, and once it spreads, it is very hard to remove it completely from the internet. It is the best to think carefully about the other person's feelings before sending messages to avoid hurting someone, and it is necessary to choose and select correct information. In conclusion, it is important to sort through the vast information to find the one you really need. This is because accepting and believing everything on social media as facts without questioning may cause a big problem someday. You may want to set the time limit to use it or define your interest in something else. In my experience, my father set a time limit on my access to a certain website. By that, I can focus on my studies. When you use it, make sure to control it rather than being controlled. Thank you for listening.